Have you been setting up special programs on your Hunter dial-based controller just so you can do inspections at 2 or 5 minutes per zone? What if I told you you didn't have to do that and you never really did have to do that? There's a hidden feature. Let me show you what it is. Here's your Hunter dial-based controller. This one's a Pro-C, but some of their other controllers look similar to this and have a dial in the middle. They also have a program button, this PRG button right here. All you have to do is hold that button down until the display reads 0 minutes. Add time to that, and whatever amount of time you add to it is exactly how long each of the zones are going to run for. Now I can go through and test each of these zones for 2 minutes apiece. I've actually got a suggestion for Hunter, and I can tell you guys how you can offer your suggestions to Hunter as well. You can head over to their Great Ideas page and submit your idea. Now for my idea, Hunter, can you please engrave the word test above this PNG button? It would make sense if it was there. All right, peace.